AI is changing the game, and right now, it's the easiest time in history to make money online, even as a complete beginner. Imagine having an AI assistant that works for you 24/7, creating content, automating businesses, and even making money while you sleep. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm revealing the best AI tools that can help you generate income online, whether you want to freelance, like build passive income, or scale a full business. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that follow button because AI is evolving fast, and if you don't keep up, you might miss your chance to take advantage of these tools before everyone else does. Now, let's get into the first way you can use AI to make money online: freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online, and AI can help you get started, even if you have no experience. The best part? You don't have to be an expert. AI can handle the hard work while you deliver high-quality results to clients. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, content writing and copywriting. If you've ever thought about making money writing, but weren't sure where to start, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. This AI can generate blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, and even scripts for YouTube videos. Just like this one, you can sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and offer AI-assisted writing services. Businesses are constantly looking for content, and with ChatGPT, you can deliver it quickly and efficiently. Tool number 2, Canva AI-powered graphic design. Not a designer? No problem. Canva's AI tools allow you to create logos, social media graphics, and even full presentations in minutes. Clients are always looking for eye-catching visuals, and with Canva's AI-powered features like magic resize and background remover, you can provide professional-level designs without spending hours learning Photoshop. This makes graphic design one of the easiest ways to start freelancing online. And by the way, if you're not following yet, you might not see me again. So go ahead and hit that button now so you don't miss out on more AI money-making strategies. Next, let's talk about how you can use AI for passive income. Freelancing is great, but what if you could make money while you sleep? That's where passive income comes in. AI can help automate and scale income streams so you can earn without constantly trading time for money. Let's look at some of the best AI tools for building passive income. Tool number 3, Pictory, AI video creation for YouTube and social media. You don't need to show your face or even record your own voice to make money on YouTube. With Pictory, you can generate full videos using AI. Just paste a script, and the AI will turn it into a professional-looking video with stock footage, background music, and even AI-generated voiceovers. People are making thousands per month running faceless YouTube channels, and with AI, it's easier than ever. Tool number 4, Jasper AI blog writing and affiliate marketing. Want to make money blogging, but don't have the time or skills to write? Jasper AI can generate full blog posts optimized for search engines. You can use it to create high-quality articles that drive traffic to your website, then monetize with ads or affiliate links. Many bloggers are already using AI to automate content creation and make passive income through affiliate marketing. Tool number 5, Midjourney, AI art and print-on-demand business. If you're into art or design, Midjourney can help you generate AI-created artwork that sells on platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, and Teespring. You don't need to be an artist. Just describe what you want, and AI will generate stunning designs for you. People are already making passive income selling AI-generated posters, t-shirts, and digital prints online. Now, before we move on, let me know in the comments, which of these AI tools do you plan to use in your project? I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, next up, let's talk about AI tools for business automation. Running an online business can be overwhelming. Managing emails, handling customer service, creating marketing content, it's a lot. But AI can automate many of these tasks, saving you time and effort. Let's look at some AI tools that can streamline your business and help you scale faster. Tool number 6, ChatGPT, AI-powered customer support and content creation. If you run a business, customer inquiries can eat up your time. With ChatGPT, you can automate responses, generate email replies, or even create chatbot scripts for your website. It's also great for brainstorming marketing ideas, writing ad copy, and crafting social media posts. Many businesses are already using ChatGPT to handle customer service, write product descriptions, and even create engaging blog content. Tool number 7, Systeme.io, AI-driven sales funnel and email marketing automation. Marketing is the lifeblood of any online business. Systeme.io is an all-in-one platform that uses AI to automate sales funnels, email marketing, and online course creation. Whether you're selling digital products, running a coaching business, or launching an e-commerce store, this tool helps you convert leads into paying customers without needing technical skills. Tool number 8, Tidio, AI chatbots for customer engagement. Ever visit a website and seen those little chat bubbles pop up? That's Tidio in action. It uses AI chatbots to engage visitors, answer common questions, and even close sales without you lifting a finger. If you run an online store or service-based business, an AI chatbot can improve customer experience and increase conversions while you focus on other things. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while AI handles customer service and marketing for you. That's the power of automation. Now, if you're finding this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps more people discover these AI tools.